Have you ever wondered how the everyday objects around you come to life? From the sleek car you drive to work, to the humble spoon you use for your morning cereal, they all have a story of creation. Today, we uncover the fascinating world of production processes and manufacturing. We embark on our journey with casting, the process of pouring liquid metal into a mold. This method caters to both ferrous and non-ferrous metals, with techniques such as die casting, loam molding, investment casting, centrifugal casting, and continuous casting. Each of these techniques vary in their approach, but they all share the same goal: to transform molten metal into a solid object. Next, we delve into the art of pattern making and molding. It's here that we explore different types of patterns, pattern materials, and the tools used to make them. We also discuss molding sands, their unique properties, and the importance of sand testing. This meticulous process sets the stage for the final product, dictating its shape, size, and intricate details. Then, we navigate the realm of joining methods, where separate pieces become part of a whole. This involves techniques such as welding, brazing, and soldering. We explore various welding processes like fusion welding, electric arc welding, gas welding, resistance welding, TIG, MIG, submerged arc welding, and friction welding, along with newer methods. These processes, while different, all aim to permanently bond metal pieces together. Our journey continues with the mechanical working of metals. Here, we examine both hot and cold working methods such as hot rolling, piercing, seamless tubing, drawing, deep drawing, hot spinning, extrusion, cold rolling, cold drawing, cold bending, cold spinning, cold extrusion, squeezing, peening, sizing, coining, hobbying, and electro-hydraulic forming. These techniques alter the metal's form, harnessing heat and pressure to mold it into shape. Next, we step into the traditional world of smithing and forging. We look at heating devices, forging temperatures, hand tools, and appliances. We also learn about hand forging, power forging, impression die forging, drop hammers, press forging, machine or upset forging, high energy rate forging, and the fibrous structure of forging. Despite being one of the oldest metalworking methods, forging remains as important today as it was centuries ago. We then venture into the innovative field of powder metallurgy. This process involves manufacturing metal powders, blending them, compacting, pre-sintering, and sintering. We also discuss secondary operations, isostatic pressing, metal injection molding, and the products of powder metallurgy. This modern method allows for high precision and sophisticated designs, revolutionizing the production of complex parts. Lastly, we explore other methods like explosive fabrication, magnetic pulse forming, electroforming, hard-facing, sheet metal work, and the role of computers in metal forming technology, including CAD/CAM technology. These techniques, while lesser known, play a vital role in creating diverse and intricate products. In summary, the journey from raw material to finished product is a complex and fascinating one. It involves a myriad of processes, from casting and molding to joining and forging, each with their own unique methods and intricacies. Whether it's the traditional methods of smithing or the modern techniques of powder metallurgy, each step in the production process plays a crucial role in shaping the world around us. So, the next time you pick up a simple object, remember the incredible journey it has been on to reach your hand.